Hi, welcome to Nina in the Kitchen, where today I am making omelets. They're so simple, they're so delicious. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, they're just great anytime. Here's how we begin. You have to break a few eggs to make omelets. The saying is true. I have 2 eggs here, and I buy large eggs. So I really don't want any more than 2. This is probably an 8-inch pan, and this just seems to fill it nicely. 3 eggs in an 8-inch pan, I feel like I'm struggling with it because it's a large egg going in. What you want to do is beat this until all of the white streaks are gone. You don't want obvious egg white in here. And see, it kind of gets liquidy, and that's exactly what you want. So the viscosity of the egg has changed. And next we put in, I'm going to say that's about 1.5 tablespoons or so of butter into a pan that's over a medium-high heat. I'm going to salt these eggs. And what you want to do is just swirl the butter around so that you have the bottom coated with butter, and all around the edges should be coated as well, because you want to have a good slip on that. Now you see how these bubbles are big? It's still sizzling. That means the water is still in the butter. So you want to just kind of dehydrate that somewhat and keep the fat but not the water content. And we're there. These go in. These go in, and this is a medium-high heat, so you can see already this is starting to create a curd. The eggs are already cooking. You can swirl it around. And what you do is you break it here and there and just sort of make sure that all of the wet part, you want this moist, but you don't want it puddled. And we're there. This takes about 20 seconds to make an omelet. That's about it. I'm going to turn my heat off. And this will be a cheese omelet. So cheese can go right across one little portion of it. Now here you have 2 options. You can angle your pan like this and jerk it and flip it. You just pull it, jerk it, flip it, pull it, jerk it. Now that's the fun way to do it, but I'll show you the easy way. All you do is you change your grip. All you do is change your grip from overhand to underhand, and now you have this part flipped up, and you just flip it right out onto your plate. There's your omelet. And then, of course, you can shape it. You can put herbs on it. A little chive is perfect. You want this glistening with butter. You really do have to have that. That's like a thing. You can put a fleur de sel on here for a little pop of salt. And now let's just cut into this, because what you want is, look, you see it keeps cooking, and you want the inside of this to be cooked but still custardy. And this is just the cheese oozing out. But even where there's no cheese, let me cut an end for you. Where there's no cheese, you can still see it's moist in there, but not wet. There are no uncooked eggs in here. They're just custardy and velvety. Custardy, velvety, delicious. Cheesy. Ooh, that's good. Follow me on Facebook at Nina in the Kitchen. Right here on YouTube, Nina in the Kitchen. Please like and subscribe. And ninainthekitchen.net for the recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.